Coding with SSP team.
Enter number 2. Add. Addition result is 37. Hi, welcome, enter first number. Enter number 2. Subtract. Subtraction result is 69. Hi, welcome, enter first number. Enter number 2. Multiply. Multiplication result is 24. Hi, welcome, enter first number. Enter number 2. Divide. Division result is 5. Thank you.
Before that, please subscribe to our channel if you are not yet. For more interesting videos in Scratch, please subscribe to our channel. Now let us make. First of all, I will show the how the variables I used. Go to variables. I used count, number 1, number 2 and result. To store number 1, I use number 1 variable. To store number 2, I use number 2 variable. To store to store result, I use result variable. To switch from number 1 to number 2, I use count. Now let us make the calculator. New. First make a variable number 1, number 2. Yeah, upload the sprite button. Where it is? Yeah, delete this sprite. Set size to 760. Okay, go to costume text, enter 1. Okay, increase the size so that it will look. Yes, code. When this sprite clicked, set number 1 to 1. Now observe. Yeah, when I clicking 1, the number 1 is set to number 1. If I want to double click the same, so that we have to use join. Join and number 1 with 1. Now observe what happened. 1 1 triple 1 4 1. In this way you have to join the numbers, and in this way we can join number 1. For number 2 we have to upload a new sprite. Number 2. When the sprite clicked change count, we are not created a variable count, so that make a variable count. Change count by 1. Now observe. Number 2, count set it to 1. So that again we have to go to this sprite. We have to check for condition whether number 1 or number 2, so that we have to use if condition. If count equal to 1, if count equal to 1, set number 1 to number 1 and 0. For number 2 we have to use again if condition operators. Duplicating this, if count equal to 2, duplicate this, set number 2 to join number 2 to 1. Now observe what happens. Interestingly, if I press 1 1 1 again number 1, for number 2 1 1 1 1 1, it's working fine, right? Yes. When flag clicked, we need to reset. When flag clicked, set count to 1, because we are starting with 1, and set number 1 to 1, duplicating this, and set number 2 to 1. Now observe what happens. Yes, 0 0 1. If I pressing 1, number 1 1 1 1 1 1, for to enter to number 2 1 1 1 1, working fine, right? Yes. As like this number 1 button, we require all the digits number buttons, so that duplicating this, go to costume, enter 2, and code we have to change the number 2 here. Join number 2, sorry, here 1, join number 2, right? Yes. Let us observe. 1 2, yes, number 1 set to 12. Next, number 2 1 1 1, number 2 set it to 111, working fine, right? Yes. Duplicate that. Again, this is 3, this is 3, we have to enter 3 here, 3, go to costumes, change to 3, yes, duplicate this, 4 4, go to costumes, 4, right, again duplicate this, 5 5, go to costumes, 5, again duplicate this, 6 6, oh sorry, oh, what is happening? This is right, this is 5, this is, we need to change to 6 6 6, go to costumes, 6, right, we need more, 4 duplicate this. There it is. Seven. Go to costumes, change to 7. Duplicate this. 8. The costumes. 8. Duplicate this. 9. For the costumes. 9. And finally we require only single digit, that is 0. 0. Go to costume. 0. Yes, we arrange all the 8, 9, 0. This 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. To add, first we can check is it working fine or not. When I click flag, number 1 set to 0, number 2 set to 0, count set to 1, right? I'm entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as number 1. Number 2, 7, 8, 9, 0. 7, 8, 9, 0 as number 2. Yes, working fine. Now let us upload the sprites for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Yes, go to costumes, change to this, text, add, change the color which will look super. Okay, add. When the sprite clicked, we need to add number 1 and number 2, so that go to operator, add, addition, take variables number 1, number 2. First we need to create the result now, so that make a variable result, capital result for all sprites, right? Now set results to number 1 plus number 2, right? That's it. Now observe 12, my first number, I'm entering number 2, 25. I need to add. Result is 37. 12 plus 25, 37, right? Working fine. For number addition we completed, multiplication, division we need to do. As duplicate this sprite. Oh, now take out this, go to operators, subtraction, number 1 minus number 2, right? Go to costumes, subtract. Next, duplicate this for multiplication. We need multiply number 2, number 1. Yes, go to costumes, multiply. And for division we require the last one. Yes, we completing. Division number one, sorry, number one, number two. Yes, we completed. And one thing we need to do, what is that? Can you tell? We need to reset the result. Yeah, go to here, variables, set results to 0. Yeah, now observe. Number 1 0, number 2 0, count is 1, result is 0. Yeah, okay. I'm entering 12 multiply by 2, result. Oh, no, sorry, I did a mistake. Again restart. 12, first number, number 2, 2, number 2 2, then multiply 24. Working fine. This is division. I did not change the costume, so that go to that costume. This is division, right? DIV, division. Shortly divided by. Okay. Yes. Rearrange the buttons. Yeah, fine, right? All the numbers and rearrange this. Number 1, number 2. Count is here. Result is here. Okay. Yes. Now observe. 12 as first number, 26 as second number, addition 28. Now we need to add voice, so that go to here, text to speech. Yes, uploaded.
Hello.
Hello, in that way, so that when I go to add, speak, add, observe,
Add.
add in this way. Go to here, speak, subtraction.
Subtraction.
Yes, speak, multiplication.
Multiplication.
Now division.
Division.
For number 2, enter number 2.
Enter number 2.
Yes. Yeah, in this way, observe 12.
Enter number 2. Multiplication.
Multiplication result is 636. Yes, right. To tell the result also, we are using speak and go to variables result. Observe
Add. 65.
result is 65, and we need to tell the result is, so that join. This is addition.
Add. 65.
Oh, sorry.
Add. Addition result is 65.
Yes, do that same. This is subtraction. multiplication result is speak where it is sorry. Oh no. Division result is go to variables check result. Yes, and speak thank you, subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. 12 division.
Division result is infinity.
Yes.
Thank you.
12 by 0 infinity, right? 14
Enter number 2.
8. I need to subtract.
Subtraction. Subtraction result is 6.
Yes, working fine, right? Thank you. Please like our video, share our video, subscribe to our channel for more interesting things in Scratch. Thank you.